Here we have two different styles of hose bibs, frost-free and a regular hose bib. I'll talk about the frost-free first. The frost-free, when you shut it off, the shut-off mechanism is back in this portion of the hose bib, which is inside the wall, which protects it from freezing. So if you've taken off your hose, it's very important that you take off your hose in the fall so that water's not trapped inside this hose bib. The water will run out. This portion of the hose bib is all dry. The water that could be frozen is back here in the insulated part of the house, so it won't freeze. That's why it's called a frost-free hose bib. Very, very important that the hose is removed so that water can drain out in the fall. This style of hose bib isn't installed in newer homes, but can be found in older homes. The shut-off mechanism is right here in the freeze zone, exterior of the home. So in the wintertime, this style needs to be covered. The hose needs to be removed. It needs to be covered with a styrofoam dome. If you get to the end of your skills and abilities and you'd like professional help, give us a call at Craftsman Plumbing. We have a whole house safety plumbing inspection that's covered under our basic service charge. Craftsman Plumbing, home of the no mansplaining guarantee.